Welcome to our channel 4G School, a smart way of learning through technology. My English Book 2, Standard 2. Let's speak. Friends, 1.3. Let's speak. Listen and enact.
Hello, my name is Lalit.
Hi, I'm Farida.
Hello, my name is Manjit.
Hi, I'm Rinal.
Hello, my name is Tarang. Hi, I am Shamal.
We are friends. What is in your hand, Lalit?
This is my English dictionary. It's very useful. What is that in your hand, Shamal?
This is my water bottle. It is very useful. Can you lend me your dictionary?
Sure, may I have some water, please? I am thirsty.
Sure, here it is. Look and say, I, you, he, she, me, your, my, we. Subscribe our channel 4G School for your further English videos and all subject videos. And do not forget to press bell icon so you will get our notification of uploaded video. Till then, stay with us and take care. Thank you.